Welcome to Homaxi. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to add devices to Qualvision VMS using a cloud account. Stay with us. Before you begin, make sure you have registered a cloud account with Qualvision and have already linked your devices. Open Qualvision VMS. Go to Maintenance, Device. Click the cloud icon in the upper right corner. Click Add and enter your cloud account credentials. Then click OK. Click the operation icon. Select the devices you want to add under the registered account. Once successful, the added devices will appear in the device list. Return to the home page and click Preview to enter the preview interface. Click on the left side device list, select the desired channel, and click to start the preview. Thank you for watching. Secure our life through Qualvision.